actus reus and mens rea. These are the two concepts which are very important under criminal law, and they are often asked in exams, maybe in competitive exams, या फिर आपके जो semester exams होते हैं उसमें भी अक्सर पूछा जाता है राइट अ शॉर्ट नोट ऑन actus reus and mens rea. सो होता क्या है actus reus? Generally we understand that actus reus means an act of a person and mens rea means the guilty state of mind. But actus reus जो ये लैटिन वर्ड है, इट मीन्स एन एक्ट विच इज़ फोरबिडन बाय लॉ. रियस का मतलब होता है फोरबिडन बाय लॉ, बट इट इज़ नॉट द एक्ट विच इज़ फोरबिडन बाय लॉ. एक्ट का मतलब क्या हुआ? अगर मैंने बंदूक उठाई और उस बंदूक का मैंने ट्रिगर प्रेस किया ना, उससे किसी की somebody can be killed or somebody may survive also. But is the act itself punishable? See, act itself is not punishable. It is the consequences of the act that is punishable. So we should understand that actus reus means the consequences of the act. What are the consequences? So when I fired, person may have died, person may have survived, or maybe the person whom I intended to kill is surviving, but some other person is killed. So as per the consequence of the act that I have done, the law will fix my liability. The BNS will fix my liability. So actus reus means the consequences of the act which are forbidden by law. And mens rea similarly means the guilty state of mind or a state of mind which is forbidden by law. So mens rea में हम लेते हैं intention, knowledge, reason to believe. ये आपके 3 तरीके के state of mind है जो आपको BNS के अंदर दिया गया है. वॉलेंट्री टर्म के अंदर व्हाट इज़ वॉलेंट्री? वॉलेंट्री मीन्स when an act is done with intention, knowledge or reason to believe, which is defined under section 2 subsection 33 of your BNS. So actus reus and mens rea are the essential elements of crime. Apart from this, there are 2 more essential elements, that is human being and injury. जो ये 4 essential elements हैं, they together constitute crime. For more informative videos like these, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. God bless.